Worldcoin has experienced significant price fluctuations over the past days. Recently, the cryptocurrency's value surged by 34% in a single day, reaching $730, which represents a 185% increase compared to the previous week. And according to the data we have, there are two crypto coins which are expected to rise even higher than what they have just done. The first one is Worldcoin Crypto, and the second one, we will reveal it as a gift at the end of this video. These are some of Worldcoin new update that you must know for you to be on a safer side on crypto. First, what is Worldcoin? Worldcoin, co-founded by Sam Altman, CEO of OpenAI, aims to create a global digital currency distributed fairly to everyone. A unique feature of Worldcoin is its use of the orb, an iris scanning device designed to verify the identity of users, ensuring they are human. Here are some of its recent developments. 1. Developer Access. Worldcoin has recently opened its platform to developers, encouraging the creation of applications within its ecosystem. This move is anticipated to accelerate innovation and expand the functionality of Worldcoin's blockchain infrastructure. More of it is going to be explained later. 2. Layer 2. Blockchain, worldchain. Worldcoin is launching a Layer 2 Ethereum blockchain called worldchain, which aims to offer cheaper fees and faster transaction speeds. This new blockchain prioritizes verified human users over AI bots and trading algorithms, ensuring a more secure and efficient transaction environment. 3. Privacy and security enhancements. Damian Kieran, the former chief privacy officer at Twitter, has joined Worldcoin as its first chief privacy officer. His appointment underscores Worldcoin's commitment to addressing privacy concerns related to its biometric data collection. Additionally, the introduction of secure multi-party computation (SMPC) enhances data security by dividing iris codes into multiple secret shares, preventing any single party from accessing complete biometric data. 4. Global expansion. Worldcoin has expanded its reach, deploying iris scanning orbs in various countries. The project has added over 2 million people to its database from 33 different countries, highlighting its rapid global adoption. Now, what are Worldcoin key features? World ID. This digital identity uses iris scans to ensure each user is a unique human. World ID can be employed across various online services, potentially reducing scams and enhancing online security. Worldcoin's World ID 2.0 introduces several advanced features and integrations to enhance digital identity verification. World ID 2.0 has seen impressive adoption rates since its release, with nearly 5 million registrations globally. Significant uptake has been noted in countries such as Chile, Argentina, and Portugal. This surge in adoption highlights the global interest in secure and anonymous digital identity solutions. World ID 2.0 offers 3 distinct levels of verification to cater to different security needs. They include 1. World ID device. This is the most basic level. This is where users verify their identity through a trusted device, such as a smartphone. It is designed for ease of use and broad accessibility. 2. World ID Orb. This is the intermediate level. It uses Worldcoin's proprietary retina scanning orb device. It ensures the user's identity by linking it to unique biometric data without storing the actual scan, thus preserving privacy. 3. World ID Orb Plus. This is the highest level of verification. It includes face-based authentication, similar to facial recognition used in smartphones. This provides an added layer of security, ensuring that only the verified individual can use the World ID for specific actions. These levels are designed to accommodate various applications, from low security needs to high security scenarios that require robust identity verification. World ID 2.0 emphasizes user control and privacy. users can keep their verification data on their personal devices, enhancing security and privacy. Additionally, users have the option to delete their World ID, including the permanent removal of their iris code or encrypted data, offering unmatched control over their personal information. It has also introduced several new authentication methods aimed at enhancing both security and user convenience. Notably, it includes selfie-based authentication, which leverages mobile technology to provide a quick and efficient way to verify identity. This method complements the existing orb technology, known for its biometric iris scanning capabilities. The orb device remains central to Worldcoin's identity verification, ensuring that each World ID is unique to a real human without storing biometric data. Moreover, World ID 2.0 has partnered with several major tech companies to streamline user verification processes and reduce fraud. This includes Shopify, Mercado Libre, Minecraft, Reddit, and Telegram. These integrations allow users to log in using their World ID, making it easier to verify human users and differentiate them from bots. This is particularly useful in combating fraudulent activities such as bot attacks, return fraud, and unauthorized coupon use. World ID 2.0 introduces World ID apps, which provide a platform for various applications to integrate with World ID. This allows for account verification and status application, akin to the blue check marks on social media platforms. Importantly, these apps only access a disposable number derived from the World ID, preventing linkage to other apps and ensuring privacy. The system employs zero-knowledge proof cryptography, which allows users to verify their identity without revealing sensitive information. Technological advancements in Worldcoin's SMPC system, Secure Multi-Party Computation, SMPC. The Worldcoin Foundation has recently implemented a groundbreaking SMPC system to enhance the security and privacy of biometric data, particularly iris codes. The SMPC method involves dividing an individual's iris code into multiple secret shares distributed across different parties. This approach ensures that no single party can access the complete data, thereby eliminating the need for a central database and significantly enhancing privacy. Historically, SMPC protocols have been too resource-intensive for large-scale biometric applications. However, Worldcoin's collaboration with Tassio has optimized these protocols to handle the complexity of comparing iris codes efficiently. The new system boasts a performance improvement of over 10,000 times, allowing encrypted iris codes to be compared without decryption, thus maintaining their confidentiality throughout the process. In May 2024, the Worldcoin Foundation transitioned to the new SMPC system, permanently deleting the old iris codes. This system requires significant computational resources, including 1152 cores, 3.6 TB memory, and 5 Gbps bandwidth across all parties. The open-source nature of the SMPC system ensures transparency and allows for continuous improvement through community contributions. The implementation of SMPC aligns with Worldcoin's commitment to complying with global data protection regulations, including the EU's General Data Protection Regulation. The system not only enhances security, but also provides users with greater control over their data. Features such as personal custody for secure data storage and the ability to unverify World IDs exemplify this commitment. The adoption of SMPC positions Worldcoin at the forefront of biometric data security, setting a new standard in the industry. The system's robustness, even against quantum computing threats, highlights its advanced security capabilities. Moving forward, Worldcoin continues to explore further optimizations and privacy-preserving techniques to ensure the highest level of data protection. Worldcoin has also introduced several other measures to enhance user privacy and security. These include 1. Personal custody. Users can store their personal information securely on their own devices. 2. Unverify World ID. Users can delete their iris code and unverify their World ID, providing more control over their data. 3. On-site age verification ensures that no underage individuals can sign up for World ID. These measures, combined with the new SMPC system, reinforce Worldcoin's dedication to safeguarding user data and promoting trust in its platform. Worldcoin's technological advancements, particularly the implementation of the SMPC system, represent a significant leap forward in biometric data security. By open sourcing their SMPC system and continuously enhancing their privacy measures, Worldcoin is setting a new benchmark for the industry and ensuring compliance with stringent data protection regulations. To support the growing demand for World ID, additional orb locations have been established in new and existing cities, including Mexico and Singapore. This expansion aims to ensure that more individuals can participate in the Worldcoin community and utilize World ID for secure digital identity verification. The Worldcoin Foundation, which oversees the protocol until it becomes self-sufficient, has launched initiatives to support developers. A $5 million grant program was announced to encourage the development of resilient technology and equitable systems on the Worldcoin platform. This support is aimed at fostering innovation and ensuring the growth and sustainability of the World ID ecosystem. Universal Basic Income, UBI. One of Worldcoin's long-term goals is to support the concept of UBI, where all citizens receive a set salary regardless of their means. The project envisions an AI-funded UBI system to provide financial stability in the era of increasing automation. Despite its innovative approach, Worldcoin has faced several challenges. These challenges include 1. Privacy concerns and legal challenges. Several countries, including France, Germany, Spain, and Kenya, have raised legal issues regarding Worldcoin's biometric data collection methods. These investigations are focused on whether the company complies with local data protection laws. For instance, the French government and a German data protection agency have been scrutinizing Worldcoin since late 2023, while Kenya suspended the project to evaluate its compliance with national data protection regulations. 2. Distribution inequity and centralization. Despite promoting itself as a decentralized network owned by everyone, Worldcoin has been criticized for its token distribution model. A significant portion of the tokens is allocated to insiders, including developers and early investors, which contradicts its egalitarian claims. This setup has drawn parallels with schemes that can lead to market manipulation and pump and dump dynamics, where a small group benefits disproportionately at the expense of general users. 3. Operational issues and user experience. Users have reported practical issues with the Worldcoin system, such as difficulties in accessing and using the tokens. This includes problems with the Worldcoin wallet and the overall usability of the platform. Additionally, concerns have been raised about the security of the biometric data being collected and whether it is being used ethically and securely. 4. Ethical and philosophical concerns. High-profile figures in the crypto community, such as Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin, have pointed out fundamental issues with Worldcoin's approach. Buterin and others have criticized the project for its potential dystopian implications and the risks associated with its heavy reliance on biometric data, which they argue could lead to privacy violations and misuse of personal data. Worldcoin's ambitious project of creating a universal digital identity system using biometric data has sparked significant debate and scrutiny. The combination of legal, ethical, and operational challenges suggests that while the concept has potential, it also poses substantial risks and complications that need to be addressed to gain broader acceptance and trust. And this makes Worldcoin pose as a great danger to citizens of different countries. Worldcoin combines blockchain technology with biometric verification, presenting a unique approach to digital identity and cryptocurrency. While it has faced significant challenges, including privacy concerns and regulatory hurdles, its recent developments and innovative features make it a noteworthy project to monitor. The project's ability to address these challenges will be crucial for its future success and broader acceptance. Other than Worldcoin, there is one more crypto coin that is expected to rise even higher compared to its previous bullish trend. This is the Pcoin. Pcoin has seen a significant bullish trend, which makes it range from $45 to $50. Rumors all over the world suggest that Pcoin might be the next Bitcoin in the crypto market. What do you think about this? We are currently doing our research about Pcoin and we will update you in our next video. So be sure to subscribe so as you don't miss the Pcoin reviewed updates. For those who are interested in taking this Pcoin opportunity before it gets launched, you may use the link in our description and use the referral code Mr. Eagleboss to get one free Pcoin. After that, continue mining and try catching this market opportunities coming from crypto. You may want to subscribe to this channel for more of crypto updates. Thanks for your time and dedication to this channel. Stay buttery until next time. Goodbye.